how to delete all posts from Facebook page at once. Now let's get started. Now open up the Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now, once you're logged in and you get to your home page, now you have to switch your Facebook account to your Facebook page. So for that, tap on your profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now once you get to menu page in your profile name, there you will have an option to switch to your Facebook page with the profile icon along with the arrow. So simply tap on that and that will automatically switch you to your Facebook page. Now once you get to your Facebook page, you have to open up the profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner below the home icon. Now that will take you to your profile page of your Facebook page. Here scroll down a bit and under the section that says post, there you will have a button as manage post. Tap on that. Here you will land in your professional dashboard page. Here tap on filters and then tap on published. Then tap on done. After that, all your Facebook posts that you have posted in your Facebook page will load up in this interface. And if you have more than one, simply select one and there you will get an option to select all of them. So select all of them, then tap on three dots icon and from the drop down menu, tap on delete. Here I have only one post in my Facebook page, so there is no any option to select. But if you have more than one post in your Facebook page, once you select one of that, there you will have an option to select all of them. After you select all of them, tap on three dots icon and from this pop-up menu, tap on delete. Now to confirm again, tap on delete. And with that, all your posts from your Facebook page will get deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.